Hey guys, my name's Daryl. I'm a vet expert and first time at the sandbox, just doing a track review. I know I do these videos on YouTube and I really don't describe what's going on. But you know what? I just wanted to give you all a perspective of what I'm seeing on the track, and by far no means do I claim to be a fast guy, so I'm just like an intermediate rider, and I used to race expert 10 years ago. So anyway, I wanted to do a voiceover here of the sandbox in New Hampshire, which by all means I feel is a fantastic track. This track is killer. It's a shorter lap time than I thought, but you know what? Super fun. And I'm being a pussy on some of these jumps. I know I can do them, I just have not done them. So I'm going to give you a rundown here on what I see and what I'm doing. So we're coming in here to the big jump section, and I'm coming towards the front where you enter the track. So this is rough right now, not right now, but during the day. There's a little table here, there's a single here, there's a table here, and then you're taking a left-hander, which is super awesome. It's a great track to ride. Then a right-hander, super sandy, like Southwick kind of sand. Then your left hand here, really deep stuff, guys. I love it, though. I'm a sand guy. Take a right, then there's this right-hander stand-up berm to this big jump. It's kind of big. I was intimidated at first, my first time here, and then down this hill you're skidding all the way, taking this insider, which I wipe out later on in the video, which you're gonna see. Then you're going up the hill, and you can scrub that a little bit and take a right. But this track is awesome. New Hampshire Sandbox is awesome. Practice track for Southwick. If you're gonna race Southwick, go to this place, check it out. I love it. I mean, I feel at home. I'm not going fast here, guys. I know, I have the speedo here. I don't max over 40. In my reality, look at this section right here. This is a big jump. I'm not doing it because I'm a pussy. And then right after this, there's this section here. Then there's a big double here. I have to meet up my boy Clint so he can show me the lines. But this is a big double here. You can nail that, and then nail this and go down the hill. It's a fast track, guys. I enjoyed riding here. It was super fun. You just did a full lap with me. I'm not that fast, and I'm just playing around, guys. I mean, I just don't race anymore. I'm trying to do one race a year now. It's been 10 years I've been off, and I'm getting back into it and just messing around. So I'm enjoying this. This track is super fun. It's worth, for me, I'm from Mass, Waltham, so it's a 2-hour drive. But you know what? It was a workout and super fun. You get there early, the track is like a highway. But if you stick around 3 hours later, it's like Southwick. It's there I go crashing. The bumps are bad. So guys, have fun. This track is awesome. Come visit it. I promise you'll have fun. Alright, later.
Sorry.